n'anya ezigbo nsogbu dị onye ọbụla share ebe vidio a kịta onye ọbụla share ebe vidio a achọghịzi m ogologo okwu n'anya grupu ọbụla ị nọ ọwụ student group ọwụ village group ebe ọbụla ị mara YouTube nọ share vidio a to that video maka ugo ebere na mgbagbu ife Enugu steeti adịgo surrounded ndị abataghị igbu ndị Enugu and egbuche Enugu nekwe Anambra nekwe Ebonyi anyị ama nkwe nekwe ka ọdịnarị mmadụ ole na ole si ba n'ọfịa jee rescue ndị kidnappers ijeji n'Abia steeti.
Finally, Fulani herdsmen don't enter Enugu State. They have surrounded Enugu State entirely. Enugu State right now is not safe. Enugu State right now is not safe. What are we doing? What are we doing? Because this time around there, we need to wake up. This time around, it's not by cho. It's not by talking. It is our duty now to take the action and protect ourselves. They have surrounded, and after they finish Enugu, they will enter Anambra State and they enter Ebonyi State. So we need to do something right now, because if we keep quiet, a lot of things will start happening and a lot of people will go down. So share this video so that this video can be able to go viral and reach to so many Biafrans. We need to wake up right now. Don't say I didn't tell you. Share this video and drop your opinion in the comment section. You get why.
N'anya ezigbo nsogbu dị onye ọbụla share ebe vidio a kịta onye ọbụla share ebe vidio a achọghịzi m ogologo okwu n'anya grupu ọbụla ị nọ ọwụ student group ọwụ village group ebe ọbụla ị mara YouTube nọ share vidio a to that video maka ugo ebere na mgbagbu ife Enugu steeti adịgo surrounded ndị abataghị igbu ndị Enugu and egbuche Enugu nekwe Anambra nekwe Ebonyi anyị ama nkwe nekwe ka ọdịnarị mmadụ ole na ole si ba n'ọfịa jee rescue ndị kidnappers ijeji n'Abia steeti ọ very dark man menya ọ rata members menya ka anyị hakwara rapụ very dark man na-distract kwa anyị o mgbe eji alụ Nnamdi Kanu onye asịkwa no distraction. Okay, after eji alụcha Nnamdi Kanu, what next now? Every time protest who protest help onye ọbụla pụtawa n'Enugu efu 12 asim 12 this Saturday na-abịa nwoke na nwaanyị onye ọbụla napụta n'Enugu nne gị nna gị ọnwụ ga-egbu gị. Ọ bụ na ị nọ na Igbo osi abụ na iwu student osi abụ na-agụ akwụkwọ na ị nọ Lagos ị na Abuja ifonu nsi agba flight waje na-eme protest na Abuja onye ọbụla agba flight bịa n'Enugu steeti I gara ransack every bush. Gị ga-agwa dị m ka ị na-agwa m na mmadụ 1000 pụta baa n'ime ọhịa sị m na bandit ka ga-akwụ onye ọgbaje bịa ebe a ihere gị onye ọbụla anyị na-afụrụ ebe ifere megbuo ya onye ọbụla na-share video you are the enemy of Igbo people and what is coming to us we can't withstand it. Our parents are in the village, our children are in the schools. Who are we going to call for help? Tinubu could not help the people of Oyo. Tinubu could not help the people of the north. Tinubu could not help the people of Benue. How can Tinubu help the people of Enugu state? Only ọbụla make a video aga viral. My video aga viral, I will not be happy and I will delete it. Enough is enough. Only ọbụla pụtawa n'Enugu. If Enugu a, achọm ka akọ ya ka ọ bụrụ akọ if this Saturday. Mpụta ebe a ma ọ nwere onye mfụ mpụta Enugu steeti ma ọ nwere onye mfụ ọkwa mfụ ka m si rapụ my business na-akwụgharị maka ọdịmma ndị Igbo ete na comment section na-akparị m na-asị na na-create content ọnwụ gbukwa gị ebe a ịgba dị bịara Enugu steeti ọnwụ egbuo gị efo Saturday a onye ọbụla na-afụrụ n'Enugu steeti ọnwụ kwesịrị igbu ya. Why? Because ọnwụ a ka ga-egbukwa gị ịgba nkịtị akọ nke ligode anya onto which level from your land bịa n'Igbo land anya anụgo ekumeku war nụọ Biafran war ma ngwa ahịa anya na-agba ya ọkụ na Lagos o nwere there was a time egbukata ndị Igbo n'ugwu Hausa gbufu anyị ofu ke abụzikwa eburukwa agha anwa bịazie na Igbo abịa ọkwa ifu nwoke na nwaanyị onye ọbụla na-achere vidio igbu enemy na ndị Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ ọ bụrụ na m abịara ebe a tupu kpọọ m ọkụ kpọọ ma generation ọkụ mana ọkwa ifu this Saturday nnọnụ n'Enugu life ebe ọ na-eme ma adachi achọ UNN lekwe ma ụzọ ụwa lekwe ma Eziagụ ọfịa karịrị akarị anyị ga-ezukọ ebe a osetie onye ọbụla gbawa ime ọfịa fa agbawa anyị egbe ha na-agbagbu ọnyanya na-abịa ọntịl anyị nwudo ha were ndị a ma epebe sup ana m ata anụ mmadụ na-agụzi m kewda akọrọ ife a na-akọta ụtụtụ onye ọbụla na-eso very dark man mpost video no engagement. Imagine na m tekikwu risk je Abia steeti ebe kidnappers bịa see yet no engagement. What is happening to Igbo people? Mana very dark man post video under 1 hour 100,000 like. Wetin concern you and very dark man? Very dark man I could not fight for Nnamdi Kanu and you are following him to where? enough is enough. Okwifu movement this Saturday, man Enugu live. Okwifu Eziago, Okwifu my UNN, Okwifu Ebeni, information every time can answer and go ha. So I get an Egundi Mara, Chokundi Madinobudu. Who says that? Who does that? Okwifu never about Egypt and Enugu, or Madinata Eke, Oye, Afo, Unko, or Solomon in a joker. Don't pray for us. We don't need God. We don't need Jesus. We don't need government. We don't need the deity. And that's what I will say. Like I don't share this video. I don't care. Or what's that demo? Or what's that demo? Don't share this. I know they beg you.
A very good evening to all the courageous Igbo youths across the world. Today, the 14th of June 2026, I have stopped to pass the night in Kaduna State on my way to Sokoto to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want to appeal to all the youths because you are the courageous ones that I know and that I believe in the Southeast. The elders, majority of them, have betrayed the cause, but you have remained very courageous. Now, assuming without consenting that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did all the things that he has been accused of, all the things he has been accused of, worse than that, Igbo did. Worse than that, Sheikh Azekzaki of Zaria did. But the two personalities are today being honored and are living like great men while Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in Sokoto prison. Let's leave these two personalities. The bandits have just killed a retired general, a general in the Nigerian army. They are being pampered, they are being paid, they are being respected and honored. But because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that my people are not being treated fairly, and if you don't want us to be part of this country, we would leave. What is bad about that? I don't see anything bad about that. Do not allow them, disgrace them whenever they come to the Southeast to campaign. How do you disgrace them? Don't come out. This I want to appeal to you passionately, because what is happening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very bad. He should not be left in Sokoto prison. And let me tell you this. If you allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to continue to languish in prison and vote for Ahmed Bola Tinubu, after the election, he will come after the remaining elders who still have conscience. The few ones who have conscience among the elders will be dealt with severely, and Igbos will be completely eroded. That is the game plan. If it's not a game plan, why is it that Sheikh Zazaki Igbo are all being honored? Why is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left in prison? I appeal to you passionately. I feel pain seriously because I have met and discussed with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and I know what it stands for. Please, disgrace APC whenever they come for campaigns. Don't come out at all. That is how to deal with them, and don't vote for them until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released and he is compensated. Thank you very much.
If talking about colonization agenda is one of the reasons why our former president Buhari incarcerated Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I think it is high time for the current president to consider releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu right away.
That's all, my brother.
Based on the video that I'm going to play for you people now, here, right now, I think Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is right. Not that I think. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is right for talking about colonization agenda being real. You see, this video, I think before you listen to what I'm going to play, you need to find someone who understands Hausa to interpret what this bandit leader, overall bandit leader, was telling his commanders and was asking them to be sparing Fulani. to not be touching Fulani in every operation that they are going to do. So based on this call that the Fulani bandit leader made, that you never see a Fulani man in their captivity. You never see.
Don Allah, ni shine roƙona. Zamfara abawa bahilla ce sata, nan nake kasata. Sokoto abawa bahilla ce sata. Katsina abawa bahilla ce sata. Neja abawa bahilla ce sata. Kaduna abawa bahilla ce sata. Kebbi abawa bahilla ce sata. Don hanyar hillanci. Don hanyar hillanci. Mu tsaya tsayin daka mu koyi aikin da wata ƙasa kai. Akwai ƙasashe da yawa waɗanda ba a Fulani sata nan ɗaya ne. To duk wanda ya don Allah don hanyar hillanci na roƙe ku. Na koma na roƙe ku. Ku tsaya don Allah mu saita ƙasarmu. Tsakaninmu da hukuma faɗin mai tsaya tsakaninmu da 'yan sa-kai. In 'yan sa-kai ne mun mu gane su ne mun. Amma a tsaya a wa hanyar hillanci. A wa hanyar hillanci. Ni ka talla Halilu Sububu na roƙa. Na roƙa. Na saki wannan faifan bid'u. Yau ranar Talata. Yau ranar Talata ni sake shi. Don Allah, don hanyar hillanci.
I hope you watch the video. And it now remains for us, the Igbos, Yorubas, Hausas, and other Nigerian ethnic groups to come together and unite. Forget our misunderstanding, our disputes. Forget all that to come and fight a common enemy. I am not saying that we should fight all Fulanis. No. It is not all the Fulanis that are bandits. But of course, I am one of those people who stereotype that all bandits terrorizing northwest states are Fulanis. I am not saying that you should start buying Fulani wherever you see them. No, I will never say that. But of course, we need to forget all our misunderstandings to come together and fight a common enemy. That is the fact.
Some Yoruba elders said that Olusegun Obasanjo is an Igbo man, that he is not a Yoruba man, that his father is from Onitsha, and that his father is Obi of Onitsha. I beg, make una help me confirm after watching the video.
It is the turn on the Southwest. The Southwest has never been president before.
But we've had Olusegun Obasanjo.
No, Olusegun Obasanjo is an Igbo man. He came from Anambra State. His father is an Igbo man.
Do you have evidence to this, sir?
My friend, it is he who should come out and say, no, he's not an Igbo man.
Hey.
Everybody knows that it's not a hidden fact. His father became the Obi of Onitsha. So let's put that aside. Zeke was also an Igbo man. The last president is an Igbo man. Three of the three presidents we have from the south, they are all Igbos. They are from the southeast.
Jonathan is south.
Jonathan Azikwe. Does South people bear Azikwe? There are Igbos in
the Igbo
south
speaking
side.
part of
Yes.
the south.
Yes, the Igbo. Whether it's south or not, it's still Igbo.
Well, this is very controversial.
Look, it's still Igbo.
So you've heard it. How true is this? Is it possible that Olusegun Obasanjo is an Igbo man? So you know me now. I decided to do some research to find out whether, if it is true that Olusegun Obasanjo is from Anambra State. And look at what the Google said. According to Google, he said the father of former Nigeria president Olusegun Obasanjo was Amos Adegun Obasanjo Bankolo. He was a well-to-do farmer and palm wine tapper, originally from the Owo clan in Abeokuta, Ogun State, and was one of the earlier settlers and founding father of Ebogun Olagun village. Can you imagine? Now, Google had to clarify something, and Google said, note, there have been occasional wide debates, rumor, and online claims suggesting Igbo heritage through a different biological father. But the former president has firmly maintained that Amos Adegun Obasanjo Bankolo is his father, a fact supported by historical account of his Owo Eba heritage. So, how did Obasanjo take become an Igbo man from Anambra State? Please drop us out of the comment section once again.